So I am officially here by myself. Okay, I keep hearing footsteps. What is going on, guys? Okay, so today is our first ever Halloween month video. So today we are going to be checking out a church which is rumoured to be satanic ritual sort of stuff. I've gone in there. I don't really know much about it. I know it's a small little church in the middle of nowhere. We're going to be checking it out by ourselves today. It's currently raining as well, it's dark, it's creepy. And yeah, let's begin our first ever video for Halloween month. Okay guys, so straight away you can tell it's a really horrible looking place. Like, it's literally in the middle of nowhere. And like, there's a lot of dead trees here. And this is the place, guys. So it's believed at the back of the building there used to be satanic rituals being taken place. So we're going to go check that out in a minute. I don't know what's in there. Let's have a look. It's a lot of mud, as I said, it's quite a wet day. Okay, so there's literally nothing in there. I don't know why it's all boarded up though. All that noise in the background is the family with me. I'm literally off by myself though, they will be going in a minute. So far it's quite an eerie place, just with the trees behind me as well. We're going to go walk around the whole place now, and yeah, we're going to be by ourselves as well. Okay guys, the truck is just leaving now, so I am officially here by myself. It's started to rain quite a bit more. This just got serious, guys. Okay, so it's apparently towards the back, which is over there. Things take place, so we're going to go over there in a minute, guys. This is the church. I'm not going in it. I'm trying not to be disrespectful, as I said. I'm just seeing if the rumours are true. We're going to go walk along this path now, see what's actually in there, and then we're going to head towards the back. Okay, so straight away I'm feeling like I'm being watched. Like, it's really dark in certain parts of this place. It's like dead silent. I don't know. I don't know what this place is for. Danger, keep out. Oh, this is horrifying. Okay, I keep hearing footsteps, but it's probably because there's it's raining. Okay, there's a sign and stuff here, so I'm hoping no one's here. You can tell how old the graves are. This is towards the back of the place. What was that? Okay, no word of a lie, I literally just hear like a tree snap. Okay, we'll keep going. Okay, this is literally horrifying. The ground is really uneven. What's that board there? Okay guys, literally just by there, there's like a massive dip. So I don't know what's in there. I'm hearing a lot of noises right now, guys. Like, it sounds similar like footsteps, but I don't think it is. I don't know. This ground is so muddy. I can't see any footprints so far. I'm getting really scared now. Like, what is that? Why is that there? What even is that? Do you see like the noises? I don't know what they are. Okay, well there's definitely been signs of people here because we've got rubbish there. Nothing really else. I don't know, it's quite a sketchy sort of place, guys. Okay, so you can tell how dark it's gone. The noises, it's really loud. So it's kind of like a marsh right here. So far, nothing like terrifying, but I'm hearing noises. It's a weird place. You can tell how old it is with the trees. Apparently the church dates back to the medieval times, so it's pretty old. The graves look quite old as well. See, that's what I mean. I literally heard a footstep right next to me just then. It's so weird. Okay, if there's something here, try and speak through the stack. I'm all alone. Literally, you can just say something. Come on, speak. Say something. Okay, so we're going to do one more test, and this is literally just closer to the gravestones, but like not too disrespectful, close sort of thing, you know? So we'll see if we can pick anything up here. Right. If there's something here, try and say something. If you're evil, speak through the static. Are you part of this medieval church? Are you evil? Were the sacrifices? Can you say something again? If you want us to leave, I'll leave if you literally just tell me to. Okay, yeah, let's call it a day. Okay guys, that's going to be an end of the video there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed today. It was creepy as hell. The voices I was picking up, I'm going to have to watch it over. I didn't actually hear what they were saying at the time. Maybe you guys can tell me. But that was horrible. Obviously we didn't see much signs of anything to do with like satanic stuff. But there was a strange feel about the place. As I was leaving, well, as I was going in, I kept hearing noises. Things were snapping and stuff. I don't know what that is. Could have been the rain. Could have been anything, but there's a weird feeling about this place, definitely, and it would be horrible coming here at night. So yeah, as I said, leave a like, comment, let me know what you guys thought. Subscribe if you're new. There's going to be other videos just like this coming up in October. We'll be doing a spooky month, which is going to be doing videos similar like this, but like paranormal sort of videos as well. And yeah, I will see you in next week's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace out, guys.